today I'm going to show you how to make these easy no-bake banana oatmeal cookies that have only 4 ingredients, and I've got the blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe step-by-step instructions and everything you need to make this easy sweet treat, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give these a try and what you think of them. So let me show you how to make them. I'm going to mash up my banana, add some oats and peanut butter, golden syrup, just 4 ingredients. Going to make some really yum cookies. I'm going to start by mashing the banana in a bowl till it's smooth and mashed. Okay, it's nice and mashed, and now I'm going to add in a cup of oats. I'm going to swap the fork for a spoon and just give it a little mix through. So the banana's well incorporated, and now we'll melt the golden syrup and peanut butter together. So I've got a heaped 3rd cup. This tub is pretty much finished, so I've just finished off this tub of peanut butter, huge tub of peanut butter. I'm doing a 1/3 of a cup of peanut butter, and now for golden syrup, it depends how sweet you want it. 2 to 4 tablespoons is what I suggest, so just depends how much of a sweet tooth you had. I'm going to actually just split the difference and go 3-ish heaped tablespoons of golden syrup beautifulness, and now we'll just pop it over heat to just melt and get nice and creamy. You can see I've just got it over heat here in my saucepan. Just keep stirring it, and once it's smooth and creamy, then we'll take it off the heat. Peanut butter's all nice and smooth and creamy, so I've moved it off the heat already, and I'm going to mix it in with my oats. So just mix it all through until we've got a cookie batter. So just get it all nice and incorporated. You can actually turn this into bars as well. It's up to you, but I quite like having a little bite-sized cookie perfection. Okay, now we'll form our cookies. So I've lined a cookie sheet with well-greased baking paper, and just take pretty much a teaspoon per cookie, flatten it down. You could do a tablespoon if you want bigger ones, but I'm quite happy having smaller bite-sized cookies, so about a teaspoon each. Just pop it down, and we'll just fill the tray with cookies. Okay, I've filled my tray with cookies, and now they just need to go in the fridge, not the oven, the fridge, to just harden up. So in a few hours, once they're hardened, I'll show you the cookies when they're done. So the cookies have been in the fridge for a few hours, and if you have a look at one, they've hardened up nicely. They're just beautiful cookies, and just keep them in the fridge and they'll keep for a few days. But between my kids and I, we'll get through these pretty quickly. But yeah, the recipe for these is down below for these lovely cookies. They're only a few ingredients, as you saw, and they're no bake, so it keeps the oven clear, but you can make some lovely cookies. So that is the video for today for how to make these easy no-bake banana oatmeal cookies. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post for the full recipe for you. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.